Hey guys, my name is Richard Price with High Tech Battery, and today we're here to talk about GNB batteries, or lack thereof. GNB batteries are officially discontinued as of 2019. I know a lot of you have requested quotes from us, have given us calls, hit up our chat on our website, techbatterysolutions.com, and are starting to find out that these batteries have been discontinued. Now let's talk about the why. GNB was originally owned by a company called Exide. Exide has gone through 3 separate restructurings since they've gone bankrupt on 3 different occasions. This last occasion was the last domino to fall. Exide is officially defunct in the US. They've let go of the GNB Industrial series and have ceased operations and production of that model here. So we're starting to see battery strings fail within that 8 to 10 year mark and needing to be replaced now. Now, you're not out of luck. We are able to cross-reference the GNB. We've been doing this for well over 15 years. We were actually originally selling GNB and quite a bit of it when they were in business and still in production in the US. We pull from separate manufacturers that are 100% compatible with GNB, such as CSB, Deca Unigi, Leosh, and C&D Technologies, just to name a few. In terms of the product cross-reference, what we really need to start with is what you currently have. I need to know the SKU of the battery that you have. And then I need to know what the application is. What is it that you're backing up? This is all critical power, whether it's solar, so in that renewable energy field, whether it's going to be diesel gen sets, or whether it's going to be backing up actual equipment such as UPS systems, operating tables, etc. That's going to gear us towards a specific model, a specific line that we can then venture out and see what the best fit's going to be. So how do we verify what we actually need? We can verify that we have the right part number from you, or for you, I should say, by understanding the SKU that you have and that application. Once we have those 2 pieces of the puzzle, then we can start taking a look at other options. We verify the voltage, the terminal size, the terminal spec. We even go down to the torque rating of the batteries. Most importantly though, we're after voltage, fitment, and terminal orientation. Those 3 are going to be our main differentiators. That is going to tell us if we're on the right track or if we're off. If we're on the right track, then we also take a look at build type. Do we need a high rate discharge battery? Do we need a deep cycle application? Do we need a mix? And then capacity. Are we replacing apples to apples? The M12V40, for example, it's a 40 amp hour battery. Replacing it with a 38 or 35 will actually have downstream consequences. You're going to get less runtime. So we take all of that into consideration, and those are all things that we verify for you because we do the footwork on your behalf. These aren't things that you're required to do. You just come to us with a problem, we come to you with a solution. All right, so I recommend you guys definitely give us a try. Request a quote right on our website, www.techbatterysolutions.com. Shoot us an email, orders@techbatterysolutions.com, or give us a call. We can be reached toll-free at 1-877-775-4381. We have live technicians, live staff who physically have installed these batteries before. So again, if you guys have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to my team. We're also very responsive on YouTube comments. Appreciate your time today, guys. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button.